5 vitamins and minerals in blueberries. Blueberries are not only one of the most popular fruits in the world, but also one of the most healthiest. They are packed with many different antioxidants and can provide numerous health benefits for our bodies while reducing the risk of certain disease and infections. As well, blueberries are a great source of nutrition and contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Now, let's discuss which vitamins and minerals are highest in blueberries. 1. Surprising to some, but blueberries are an amazing source of vitamin K, a very important vitamin for our overall health. Just 1 cup of raw blueberries contains over 36% of the daily recommended value of vitamin K. 2. Perhaps not as surprising, but blueberries are also an amazing source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant in its own right that can provide numerous benefits for our body. 1 cup of blueberries will provide 24% of the daily recommended value of this vitamin. 3. Blueberries are not only high in vitamins, but they are also a great source of minerals, such as manganese. Manganese is vital for numerous bodily processes and overall health. 1 cup of blueberries will provide over 25% of the daily recommended value of manganese. 4. Consuming blueberries regularly will also provide our bodies with good levels of the mineral copper. 1 cup of this delicious fruit will provide about 5% of the daily recommended value, which can add up quite quickly. 5. Consuming blueberries is a great way to add B vitamins to your diet. They contain numerous B vitamins, one of which being vitamin B6. Just 1 cup of blueberries will provide about 5% of the daily recommended value of vitamin B6, along with other B vitamins as well, which is great for any fruit. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods, and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.